New semester, and you're probably thinking to yourself, where do I even begin? Food, housing, stress, paperwork. Welcome to Berlin. Welcome to Studierendenwerk Berlin. Today, we're going to guide you through and show you the steps which can make a student's life easier. Stop number 1, the Mensa. Before we talk about anything else, career, BAföG, life, we need to talk about the most important thing, food. As you can see in our Mensas, we have a variety of different cuisines, vegetarian, vegan, and also meals containing meat. If you're feeling like a quick snack, we also have desserts and baked goods. We have a variety of different meals and different cuisines all around the world, depending on the week or the season we're in. And if you're not sure on which Mensa location to visit, you could download the Studierendenwerk Berlin app, which has daily updates of the different menu of the Mensas, but also the different locations all around Berlin where we have our different Mensas. And this is our famous topping up your Mensa card machine. So how does it work? Very simple. You take your card, you tap it here, you recharge your desired amount, and done. But what if I told you that there was an easier way of doing it? You could automatically connect your bank account to your Mensa card, and whenever you reach a low balance, it recharges itself automatically. Stop number 2, we have the Freiraum. Students don't only always have to study, but they also have to relax and have time to interact with one another. That's why we have the culture side, which is in link with the Freiraum. Here we have events such as workshops, sessions, choruses, dancing, theater, choir, workshops. We have a combination of it all. And you can find everything on the event calendar on our website. Click, choose, and show up. You may come in without a talent and live with a new one or a new interest.
Stop number 3, BAföG. It may sound complicated and sometimes scary, but it's just paperwork. It's just a small thing, you know. So we offer on-site as well as online through WebEx consultation. To book these consultation hours, you have to just visit our website. It's almost every week, and then you come to us. We help you with the form. We help you with any questions which are stuck in your mind, and then you get it done. Getting a home in Berlin itself is a big deal. So it's with us. We have waiting list which can go up to 3 to 4 semesters. But once you get in, it's the game changer. We have shared places, we have gyms, it's near to the university, and cherry on the top, it's also affordable. As soon as you start your studies or even before starting your studies, apply on the Wohnheim portal so you get a home as soon as possible.